Tumid, adjective. Swollen or enlarged. Example, his ankle became tumid after the injury. Bashful, adjective. Shy or easily embarrassed. Example, the bashful boy couldn't look her in the eye. Coy, adjective. Pretending to be shy or modest, often to attract attention. Example, she gave him a coy smile before answering. Shove, verb. To push roughly. Example, he shoved the box into the closet. Nudge, verb. To push gently, often with an elbow. Example, she nudged him to get his attention. Decline, verb. To politely refuse. Example, I had to decline the dinner invitation. Refuse, verb. To reject or not accept something. Example, he refused to eat vegetables. Dismiss, verb. To reject or send away. Example, the teacher dismissed the class early. Nosy, adjective. Being too curious about other people's business. Example, the nosy neighbor kept asking personal questions. Soggy, adjective. Wet and soft. Example, the bread was soggy after being dipped in water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.